Okay, part 2 wants us to now do polynomial division. So we're not going to want to have this in bracket form now. We're going to want to rewrite that as x squared plus 2x. And we're going to divide this x squared plus 2x into 7x squared plus 16x plus 16. So when we do this division, we say, what do I times x squared by to give me 7x squared? And the answer to that is 7. So the 7 goes up here, and then we times this 7 by these two terms here. So that's going to be 7x squared plus 14x. And I'm going to take that off, and that will just leave me with 2x and this plus 16. So that's like a 0 there. And that's it. That's all we have to do on this. That's my quotient, and that's my remainder. So what does that actually mean? That means that we can write 7x squared plus 16x plus 16 as times by 7 plus this 2x plus 16 remainder. So they're equivalent, that's what it's telling me. So when it asks us to do this p plus q over x thing, what I can now do is divide everything by x bracket x plus 2. And that's going to give me 7x squared plus 16x plus 16 over x bracket x plus 2 is equal to, that's going to disappear, just the 7 plus 2x plus 16 over x bracket x plus 2. But that's not what it's asking for, that's not the right form. So what's gone on here? Well, if you look a bit closer, if we factorise this 2 out of here, we've got 7 bracket 2 bracket x plus 8 over x bracket x plus 2, which is what we had from part 1. So this x plus 8 over x bracket x plus 2 is what we had here, and we've got, in part 2, we've now got 2 of them, like a big 2 here. Oops. So 2 of these is just going to equal 2 of these. So now all I need to do is say that that's equal to 7 plus, instead of having 4, we're going to have 8 over x, and instead of having negative 3, we're going to have negative 6 over x plus 2. So that's my final answer for part 2.